Hey, y'all. This is Shanti Refuge, and I am back for day 3 of the topic we're talking about this week, which is negative self talk, breaking free from that. So, in day 1, we talked about, um, I'm going through my notes, sorry, where the negative self talk came from, and how to identify negative self talk. Then on day 2, we talked about how negative self talk is keeping you stuck. Today, we're going to be talking about flipping the script, rewriting your inner dialogue. So, the way you talk to yourself can either hold you back or push you forward. And today, we're learning how to flip the script because, babe, it's time to stop speaking death over your life and start speaking life. I am Shanti Refuge, certified mental health coach, mental health advocate, keynote speaker, and author of the best-selling book Quiet as Kept. And I'm your journal babe. So let's get into it. So I'm going to give you 3 ways to rewire your inner dialogue. The first one is to catch the negative thoughts. Catch it in real time. Don't have that negative thought and then later on, oh, I did say something negative. No, we're going to catch it right there. So the next time you catch yourself saying, I'm so stupid or I'll never get this right, stop. Say out loud. I don't care who's around, but say out loud, that's not true. 2, I want you to challenge the thought. Ask yourself, would I say this to my best friend or to my child? And if you answer yes to either one of those, then you really got some work you need to do. If the answer is no, then why would you say it to yourself? 3, replace it with a truth-based affirmation. So instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I am capable of figuring this out. And instead of, I always fail, say, every failure is a lesson that makes me stronger. So now I got a journaling prompt for you. I got to give you homework. So I need you to write down 3 negative things that you've told yourself this week. And today's only Wednesday. So I want to know the 3 things. Well, I don't want to know, but I do want to know. I want you to write it down. Write down 3 negative things that you told yourself this week. And then I want you to rewrite each one into an empowering, truth-based statement. Then I want you to say them out loud. And that's very simple. It's simple. Don't make it harder. Don't overthink it. So changing your mindset takes work, but you don't have to do it by yourself. So if you did not hear, I am offering free coaching in honor of Women's History Month next month, in the month of March. So I'll be coaching 2 women through this transformation, 5 weeks, one-on-one. So if you want to be a part of this, I need you to apply. Go to shantirefuge.com. Y'all see it up there above my head. Go there. First thing you're going to see is the Women's History Month coaching program. Or you can comment, I'm ready. Because if you want to break free from self-doubt and finally believe in yourself, I need you to apply. Don't self-sabotage and don't say anything negative as an excuse for you not to apply. Go apply. And I will see you next time.